So in the last class, we have worked on some inheritance concept and the classes concept and some arrow function. Just look at this. See this? See this one? So this is actually the normal function. Okay, this is normal function, and this is the normal function called the two. This is the arrow function. Okay, did you understand the arrow function? This is the function name. See this function name. This is function name, and this is arguments. We have no actually in this program we have zero arguments. Okay, console.log of hello from arrow. Okay, now let us get into the see. There are a few more concepts that we can cover, but whenever the concept is necessary, I'll explain the JavaScript concept and along with the parallel React content. Okay, so just open the command prompt, go to search bar, type cmd. You'll get the command prompt. First, open it. Okay, open it and check for. Try to execute the command npm. Npm means Node Package Manager. Okay, what is npm means? Node Package Manager. So actually npm is not recognized as internal or external command operable program or batch file. That means you don't have a node in your computer. Okay. See, all we need to do is just go to the Google Chrome. Let us install the React environment. Okay, so we need the Node.js into our system to run the React programs. Okay, go to Node.js downloads. Okay, this is actually the thing. Well, go to google.com, then try to search the Node download, and you'll get the first official website, Node.js. Try to click on that and go for the MSI installer. Okay, and not the zip file. Don't go for the zip file because it has a different type of installation. Just try to go for the .msi installer. Okay, so it's actually 30.3 MB, 18.17 is the version, and just okay, already downloaded here. Come on. Okay, fine. So it is downloaded. So just open it. Well, so just simply right click on this. When with Windows installer, just try to just directly click on enter, or you can just click on the open. So this is actually the node setup wizard. Okay, this wizard will help you to install the node into your laptop. Okay, I'm agreeing for the license, and you can. I think if you can. It is better if you create a separate folder for this one. So something like this, There is a separate folder. Okay, let's click on this. New. So I'm just creating a new folder. Node.js. Okay. So I'll be installing that in the same in the D Node.js, click on OK and click on next. Click on next. Automatically install necessary tools. If you are interested to go for installing the necessary tools for this node, you can. There are a few more tools will be installed along with the node. So just try to click on the tick mark there and go for the next. Okay, and just try to install. Right. It took us like some 1 minute, less than 30 seconds. Copying new files into the folder that I created. Yeah, files almost copied. Yep, done. Successfully installed. So I'm clicking on the finish. Okay, now I have a node in my computer. Okay, now there's some PowerShell will be opened, and there are a few more softwares that are going to be installed. Just keep on minimizing this one and just go to this PC D and Node.js. Okay, this is successfully installed. Okay, the application successfully installed. Now open the command prompt. How will you open the command prompt? Simply by searching the CMD or Windows, or if you are familiar with the opening command prompt through run prompt, you can go for that. Or else simply search it. You will open. You can open the command prompt. And this command prompt, what we're going to do is try to execute the npm command. Okay, npm enter. Now this npm command is working fine. Okay. Yes, that's good. Right. So now we have a node in our computer. See, let us create our first React application. Okay. So we have already installed this Visual VS Code, Visual Studio Code in our system. It's a very small software. You can directly install that in your local computer, and let's do one thing. Let me open a new folder. We go to the JS folder itself. Okay. Else, yeah. Cut the folder. This is actually an empty. This is an empty folder. Okay. I opened an empty folder. I don't have any files here, right? So try to click on this terminal, this one. That one actually. Wait. Try to click on this one. Okay. It's all right. So you'll get the terminal here. Okay. You'll get the terminal with our React path. And here, step number one is if you are trying to create first React application, try to execute this command. npm space install space -g space create React app. Okay, this means node package manager install globally this create React apps. See, from the next time onwards, we will use the create React app to create new applications. Okay, as you're creating the first application, as you're creating the application, React application for the first time, try to execute this one. Okay, so that it will download few packages that is required to install create an application. Okay. Looking for funding. Okay, there's a change 767 packages in 11 seconds. Okay, right, fine. So that's a one-time execution. Okay, you have executed the create react app command. Okay. For now, what we're going to do is let us start an application, start a new application. Let's do one thing. npx npx space and a node package execute. That means node package executor create react app space. My app folder name is app01. So every time if you want to create a new application, this is the command. Okay. See that? See there? App01 folder is created here. Right? npx. What is the command? npx space create react app space app name. Okay, folder name. Come on. Once again, just try to tell it. Try to pronounce it. What is npx means? Node package executor. Node package executor space create react app space app name. To create the React application manually with all the dependencies that this command creates. It will take around 1.5 days for us to manually create all the dependencies and hierarchy of the application. Okay. So actually, everything will be written by the npx itself. Okay, we will just write our components. We'll create our components and we'll build the website. Okay. Very easy to create applications in React. Most of the people basically, make you scared to run the React application, but I'll tell you very simply how to run your first application. Okay. Hey, there is happy hacking. So I'll template dependencies using in first we will be writing the code manually, and after that I'll tell you how to install a plugin. It will write everything. It will write everything as happy hacking. Okay, our app is created. Okay, our app is successfully created. See this? So this is the hierarchy. This is the different type of files that is created by that simple command. I just run that small command and it has created and given me the complete application. And in that we have different files. I'll explain you each and every file whenever it is necessary. Okay. In initial, I'm going to let me execute this program first. Okay. First, how to run this program? Try to just open the app.js. App.js is a very important program. You will modify the code in this app.js. Where this is actually app.js is the default the default page, okay, default component in the React application. Let's do one thing. See this. How to run this application? Simply navigate to change directory to app01. Okay. Go to that application. Go to that app folder. And now run this command npm space start. That's it. Node package manager space start. This command will start our first application. If you have any antivirus blocking this, pop-up, you try to allow that one. Okay. Yes, there's a firewall here. Actually, it is trying to block it, but I'm allowing it. It's going to open the web application in a server. Okay, it's in a local server. Kind of deployment server. Okay. See, our React application, our first React application is going to start in localhost colon 3000. It'll take for the first time, it will take some time. Okay. Even for the second time also, I mean, every time when you execute, it will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Don't worry about it. So once the server is started, then you'll get a message here. This is actually synchronous server. Actually, whenever you modified any code in the application, it will automatically replicate into that deployment server. Yes, success, compiled successfully. This is how you'll get the message. Whenever the server is started, you'll get the compiled successfully message, and Webpack compiled successfully. Then you can just open this your website. This is your first React application. It is running on localhost colon 3000. Okay. Shall we change something? Shall we change something here? Okay, fine. Wait. Let me change the code. Hello, students. Welcome to React. Okay. I'm just see this. I'm just saving it. I just saved it, and it's compiled and it's replicated on the web page itself. Okay. Hello, student. Welcome to Free React. It's actually a live server. Okay. So let us create our own application now. Guys, let's create our own application. Okay. I'll simply remove everything. We already know the arrow function, right? What is the arrow function? Like we can create something like this, right? Some const. You have to give the name as app. Okay. In the app.js, you have to write the app function because that is the default function which is used to app equal to arguments, some empty. I'm giving the some empty arguments as of now. Arrow, starting and ending brackets, right? So this is my function. We already know this syntax, right? Const app arrow some body function body, right? Now just go for it. Let me import the React. Okay, import React. Sorry, React from React. So actually, this package, this command, this import statement consists of all the features to create the React application. Okay, this import statement consists of all the features to create the React application. Now in here, simply return the value, return some HTML element. Okay, something like see this h1. Welcome to React app. 01. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just simply saving it. I got an error here. Why did I get an error? Sorry. Okay, I have not exported it. Actually, I have created the application. We have created the function. What is the function name here? App. Okay. So what do we have to do? Export default app. That's it. Now it is compiled successfully. Now you can go to your application and you can see this. This is your welcome to React app 01. We already know the arrow function, right? So what I've done, simply I have imported the React from a React package. So this import statement consists of all the elements, all the features to create the React application. And next one, I have wrote a arrow function. Okay, an arrow function with zero, no arguments and some return value. See, this return content will be rendered in HTML. Okay, rendered as HTML. Okay, rendered in our web page. So if you write any kind of stuff here, it will be replicated outside. Some H2, I, lokesh, C, 7. Be showing some red color ones. Let me enclose this one inside a division. This single element will be replicated outside. Okay. So this is our simple first React application. If you try to write, don't try to write more than one element here, because I'll show you how to write components. Every component should be independent. Okay. So this is it. So this is your first React application. Okay, let's work on more examples, more concepts and more examples.